Did you know that a small butterfly shaped gland in your neck can silently affect your ability to get pregnant? Yes, the thyroid gland plays a powerful role in fertility. Even a mild imbalance in thyroid hormones can lead to irregular periods, ovulation problems, miscarriage, and difficulty in conceiving. Today, I'll explain how thyroid disorders affect fertility in both women and men and what symptoms to watch for, how treatment can help restore fertility. Hi, my name is Dr. Suvarchila, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. So, what is the thyroid gland? It is a very small gland located in the front of the neck. It produces hormones called as T3 and T4, which control the body's metabolism. But thyroid hormones also influence menstrual cycles, ovulation, egg quality, sperm production, pregnancy maintenance also. The brain, ovaries and thyroid are closely connected. If the thyroid hormone levels become abnormal, the entire reproductive system can be affected. So let's try to understand what happens in the females if there are thyroid issues. There are two common thyroid disorders. Hypothyroidism, which is low thyroid hormone production, which is a very common thyroid problem affecting fertility. It can cause irregular periods, delayed ovulation, heavy menstrual bleeding, difficulty in achieving pregnancy. Not only this, it also can cause increased risk of miscarriage. Hypothyroidism can also increase prolactin levels, which suppresses ovulation on the whole. So it is a dual-edged sword. Not only is your thyroid low, your prolactin is also high, because of which ovulation is being suppressed, release of egg. Next is hyperthyroidism, which is excessive thyroid hormone. Although it is less common, it can definitely affect fertility, and symptoms include irregular or absent periods, hormonal imbalance, reduced chances of implantation of embryos, and pregnancy complications. Even a mild thyroid imbalance can disturb the delicate balance of hormone signals that are required for ovulation. I said that thyroid issues are common in men as well. People don't realize that thyroid disorders can also cause a problem in men. These imbalances can lead to reduced sperm count, poor sperm motility, abnormal sperm shape, and reduced libido also. But treating thyroid problems can significantly improve sperm health. Sometimes thyroid problems show clear symptoms, but sometimes they are very silent. Some common signs are in hypothyroidism, especially fatigue, weight gain, hair fall, dry skin, or feeling cold. Hyperthyroidism symptoms include weight loss, palpitations of the heart, anxiety, excessive sweating, and heat intolerance. That is, you feel very hot. However, some patients with infertility have no obvious symptoms at all, which is why testing is extremely important. The most important test is TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. For women trying to conceive, doctors usually prefer thyroid to be around 1 to 2.5 milli international units per liter. But sometimes they may include additional tests like free T3, free T4, thyroid antibodies. These help in detecting autoimmune thyroid diseases, which can also affect pregnancy. Treatment is very simple because the good news is that thyroid disorders are one of the most treatable causes of infertility. Because when the thyroid levels are low, thyroid hormone tablets can be given, and for hyperthyroidism also medications are available. Regular monitoring of thyroid levels is very important because once thyroid levels are corrected, many women can regain normal ovulation and improve their chances of pregnancy. If you wish to know more, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.